How do I use AI to market a pop-up drink stand? You can use AI tools to write your social media posts, design simple flyers, come up with catchy names for your drinks, and even figure out the best times and places to set up your stand based on local events and weather. Think of AI like a really smart helper who never gets tired of brainstorming with you. You can literally just type in something like, "Give me 5 fun names for a strawberry lemonade," and it will spit out ideas in seconds, saving you the headache of staring at a blank page. What most people do not realize is that AI can also help you predict foot traffic by looking at things like nearby school schedules, farmers markets, or weather forecasts. So you know exactly which days to show up and sell the most drinks. You can also ask it to write short, catchy captions for platforms like Instagram or TikTok that make people stop scrolling and actually want to try your drinks. Another cool trick is asking AI to create a simple loyalty punch card idea or a fun little slogan that makes your stand memorable. The best part is you do not need any design or marketing experience, you just describe what you want in plain words and let the tool do the heavy lifting. One common mistake people make is copying and pasting whatever the AI gives them without adding their own personality, which can make the marketing feel fake or generic. So always tweak it to sound like you. Another thing to watch out for is relying only on AI for pricing your drinks, since it does not know your exact costs, so always double check your numbers yourself before posting anything. Lastly, people often forget to update their posts regularly, so try setting a simple weekly reminder to refresh your content and keep people interested. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.